Hello to my Taurians. Let's get into your reading. All right, let's get into your reading, Taurus. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Happy Friday to my Taurus. 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 I was trying to say Taurians, but I said Taurus. Y'all know what I meant. All right, Taurus, let's go. First card, start packing, your new dream home is loading. Well, all right now. Well, all right. Well, all right. Well, all right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Start packing. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So speak it into existence. There it is. Speak it into existence. One yes from God. You are in answered prayer. Your new home awaits. There it is again, a second time. So get some fresh air. Inhale, exhale. There it is. Voila. So somebody new home awaits. Do the mirror work. Work, work, work. Pour into yourselves more. That's right, pour into yourselves more. Get outside. The new one is extra special. The new one is extra special. So wealth is within your reach. Somebody wants to call, but they haven't changed. So I don't know who wants to call, but somebody hasn't changed. And that's okay. So that is all right. That is okay. That is all right and okay and all right. Okay. Let's see what else we got going on here. Keep on moving forward. Keep moving forward. Make a list of pros and cons, but keep it pushing forward. Something is not as deep as you think it is. That's right. Close out cycles. Close out cycles. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Okay? Everybody is not for everybody. Everything is not for everybody. Everything is not for everybody. Right? Let's get into it. Let's get into your reading. Make a list of pros and cons. Yeah. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's do it. All right, Taurus, what do you want? What messages do you want for my Taurus? What messages do you want for my Taurus? What is it? What message? Yeah, something is not as deep as somebody thinks it is. Everybody wants what they want. You remember, you all are ruled by Venus, the goddess of love, pleasure, art, music, and aesthetics. And so you can want something very different. You can be motivated by something totally different than what somebody else is motivated by. It doesn't make them bad, you bad, them good, you good, whatever. I mean, it is just what it is. It is what it is, right? And that's, it is what it is, right? Everything is energy. Yeah. So save yourself. Save yourself. Somebody can have new love coming across their path. Yeah. So something is going to be nostalgic for you. Something is going to be nostalgic for you. Like somebody's taking memories with them. You know, like photographs or pictures or something. It's like just memories. You know, like with you're taking memories, pictures. This is like snapshots in your mind, pictures. You're taking, like I said, memories, recordings. You know, whatever you're taking with you, right? But you're leaving some things behind. A lot of your wishes are being fulfilled. But you're saving yourself. Somebody could have felt like, you know, you wanted to take something else, but you're putting the past behind you. You're moving on. Finally moving on. And that's a good thing, right? Uprooting and just growing wherever you're planted, right? But emotionally, somebody gonna feel like they hit the jackpot. Emotionally, you're gonna feel like you hit the jackpot. Yeah. You gotta remember, again, you're a receiving sign, right? You're a receiving zodiac sign. Right? And so how you receive could be different than how other people receive, right? So you may need time to process what you're receiving. Other people, they need you to tell them what the plan is, right? So that could be something that you're working on, right? So here we have the Five of Pentacles here. Five of Pentacles here. So you're planting some seeds and, right, yeah, so the seeds were planted, and two people feel like they lost a lot of money for two people to feel like they gained a lot. So two people feel like they lost a lot for two people to feel like they gained a lot. So there was two earth signs that felt like they, 2 earth signs. It'll be in Virgo, a Taurus, a Capricorn. That caused 2 people to lose a lot of money in order for people to gain a lot of money. So, but source is saying to you, you're planting some new seeds, and it'll grow. But in hindsight, you see something else. In hindsight, you see 2020. You're learning how to pour into yourself. Learning how to pour into yourself, right? And ending something now. You're ending something. Yeah, ending something. Right? Yeah, ending something. Oh, it's a lot of water here. Hold on. Yeah. Jeez. It's a lot. So two energies were mirroring compassion. But they were making this looks like deja vu. This reading looks like deja vu. Okay. Somebody looks like somebody was surrounded by energy vampires. That's what this looks like. Like somebody was surrounded by people who were just draining the light, just draining the water out of you. And our bodies are made up of a large percentage of water. Somebody couldn't see something though, because it's like somebody was just like, maybe somebody was just like around a lot of energy vampires. So that's why it says right here, sources saying pour into yourself more, because 2 people were being taken advantage of just to yeah, here's a Hierophant card. Somebody now has an innate spiritual understanding of just like, you know, what was being done behind someone's back to somebody. And so somebody's definitely not going back to being around energy vampires. Somebody's on top of something now. Somebody's now on top of the wheel. Yep, just a wheel of confusion. When somebody starts getting a feeling about something, somebody's like, okay, hold on, something don't feel right. Something don't feel right. Somebody learn how to get on top of stuff. Rebirth. So somebody's on top of something now. Somebody feels like somebody's at a crossroad in life. Somebody gonna turn the water on. Get outside near water, drink more water, fill up, load up on water, go take a swim, something, you know, that's going to pour into your earth. Because somebody feels blindsided now by something. Like somebody feels like, what? Somebody feels completely blindsided by something. Yeah, somebody feels completely blindsided by something now. Now you're wondering, like, who is behind something? Like, who is behind all of this going on? Trying to expand, like, who is behind all of this? You have some ideas, but who created all of this? So you're making a list of pros and cons, but yeah, so you're going into hermit mode. Somebody going into hermit mode and just learning how to pour into themselves because so many sacrifices were made. But yeah, somebody's learning how to see something at a higher frequency now. Somebody's learning how to see something at a higher frequency and add structure to some things, structure and authority to some things. Because I feel like when you have people's backs, something may have been done by 2 people behind your back that you just did not even see. Like, you couldn't even see. I feel like somebody may have been, like, distracted by feeling judged. Like the waters were just kind of like murky or cloudy or something was going on. Like, there's just too much going on. So anyway, that's what I'm saying. I feel like somebody may have been too prideful to tell you something. Somebody was trying to rise above the judgment of something. They were trying to create something. Somebody may have been trying to create something. It looks like a silent tower moment though. Because I'm seeing Scorpio and Aries here. That's which is together. That's the tower. That's Mars. They both ruled by Mars, and I'm seeing the Judgment card, which is Scorpio. Scorpio's ruled by. Okay. Yeah, Eight of Swords here. Yeah, something was being done behind somebody's back. Yeah, something is being done behind somebody's back. We put people on center stage. What was that? To grow somebody's money, like what? Somebody was into some stuff to grow somebody's money. Let me see. So 7, 3, 9. So two people drag somebody into something. And now somebody's saying in hindsight they should have paid attention to something that these two people were into, or something around music. Somebody now saying they should have paid attention. This is interesting. I'm just trying to see what else is going on here. So, I see you're making a list of pros and cons. Because I see on both sides of something, people feel like they have hit the jackpot. Something has come to an end. The confusion has come to an end. Somebody felt like somebody was on their high horse, and really somebody was at a crossroad. So faith, miraculously, amazingly, everything I need always comes. Love is opening me to receive beyond anything I imagine. I think that's it. All right, bye.